Hello and good morning. Here we want to do a little exercise in integration suitable for years 17 and 18 and above. And I've inserted the reason for using this one at the end of the exercise. So we want to evaluate the definite integral, the integral between 0 and pi upon 4 of cos squared 2 theta times cos squared theta with respect to theta. So just looking at the integrand, cos squared 2 theta times cos squared theta is replacing the cos squared 2 theta by 1 plus cos 4 theta over 2, and the cos squared theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2, and then multiplying out, we get 1/4 bracket 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta plus cos 4 theta times cos 2 theta, which then next line equals 1/4 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta, and then 1/2 cos 6 theta plus 1/2 cos 2 theta. I've used the factor formulas for trig identities in that particular step. And so simplifying that, that's 1/4 bracket 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta over 2 plus cos 4 theta plus 1/2 cos 6 theta. And now integrating between the limits 0 and pi upon 4, this is fairly straightforward. That's 1/4 bracket theta plus 3 sine 2 theta over 4 plus sine 4 theta over 4 plus sine 6 theta over 12 to be evaluated between the limits 0 and pi upon 4. So that's 1/4 pi upon 4 plus 3/4 plus 0 minus 1 over 12, and the bottom limit just renders the whole thing 0, and that comes to 1/4 bracket pi upon 4 plus 8 upon 12, which simplifies to pi over 16 plus 1/6. And that's it. Okay? And I made a remark here, that is, I intend to use the indefinite integral that I've done here in a future video, and refer back to it when I do that, because otherwise the video would be much too long, and TikTok don't like that. So, thanks very much for listening anyway.